So this is the initial screen of the app that'll help you create the portfolio. First, you need to select what investment time horizon you're interested, so when you want to take out your money, and then it'll calculate how certain proportions that you can select of bonds to stocks and US to world stock have done historically over these investment horizons. So it can help you make that decision. So let's say we're interested in taking our money out after 1 year. We can ask the app what's been historically given the best average return, best standard deviation, and best low-end return. And let's say we just want to see, leaving bonds out of it, what gives the best US to world proportion for standard deviation. We can actually just set bond to not change that bonds from 0%, and we can ask the app, and it actually seems to be 80% US stock to 20% world stock to give the best standard deviation. So let's say we want to invest at 5 years, but keep that proportion. We can just tell stocks to keep constant, and then we can ask the app what gives the best lowest end return, and it seems it's 80% bonds to 20% stocks. So let's say that's our portfolio. We can then select that, choose our portfolio, and so our portfolio is going to be 4% world stock, 16% US stock, and 80% bonds. So then we input the name of our portfolio. And we select which ETF index fund we want to do. So I can select Vanguard for all of them. And then I finalize the portfolio. So the next thing, I look down on the tabs and I want to figure out how I contribute to this. So that's what this screen's for. So first thing I do is put in how much money I have available. Let's say I get $2,000 every, let's say, week of investable income. First thing it'll tell me is, taking into account transaction costs, when I should invest. It'll actually tell me. So it says I should wait until I have 3 weeks in, when I have more than $7,000, I should probably invest, because then the returns over that time period will outweigh the transaction costs. The other thing I can do is just contribute to one stock, which can also save money on transaction costs, but have some, the downside is it's not completely a balanced portfolio all the time. So let's say I want to contribute to all the stocks. So then I'll have 18 in BND, 2 in VTI, and 1 in VXUS. So I'll record that transaction. And then I want to know how my stocks are doing. So I can go here and view how it's doing. So this is how, on the top left, I can see how much I've contributed in money. And then I can see what my current worth is. And my current worth is currently $30 below because of transaction costs. I can see what my proportions are currently of bonds, world stock, and US stock, and what I'm trying to target as well. And that's pretty much it.